It's 10:30 in the morning and it's only 54 degrees in Las Vegas. It's raining since 9 o'clock yesterday, so it's like full 12 hours of non-stop rain. I slept like a baby. I even don't want to go outside. I just need I don't know, maybe some hot green tea and some pajama or something. Looks like it's slowing down, but we'll see. Well, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. It was raining all this time, and I think it just starts clearing. You can see a little more light outside. I had my apple, coffee, did some online banking, and spent the whole day with Lady Day. It's appropriate for this type of weather. Ah, that voice. So, still cloudy, but it's over. Rain stopped. Time to go out. Well, it's still gloomy, and I'm still on Billie holiday. A foggy day in London town. How appropriate for today. It's kind of even a little bit chilly. Maximum degrees today, 55. So I got me some nice chicken soup that I made 2 days ago, and I forgot it in a refrigerator. This is home specialty. Oh, warm me up, and then I had to kill some time somehow. So here I am coming back to you live in high definition and stereo. And basically yesterday was my first full week in the RV park here. So I don't have nothing to brag about and nothing to complain about except too many dogs. Every damn RV must have a dog. That is too much. What's up with those dogs, people? Do you need a dog? You're alone? Well, did you watch those YouTube videos when they're driving and then a dog is on a seat next to him and then they talk to the dog? Well, buddy, are we going to go to Utah now, to some monument park in Utah? You're all for it? Yeah, good. So we're going to go. Well, talking to a dog? Are you insane? You need a dog? Look in the mirror, talk to yourself. Jesus.